Hello dear students of class 3rd. I hope all are fine and doing good. Today we are going to continue English 2nd with lesson number 3 as we have completed question answers as well as explanation. So we are going to continue with the exercises of lesson number 3. So open your book and start with the first exercise. Here it is on page number 44. First we will do quick answers. Okay. In quick answers there is one question. Listen very carefully. The question is, the people in a story are called characters. So, name 4 characters we read about in this. In this means, what is the name of the chapter? Matilda, the book, reader. Okay. So, not only Matilda, there are other characters also in this story. So, we have to write down the names. Okay. So, the first character is, here all of you can see Mr. Wormwood. Here it is. Okay. So, this answer you have to write in your fair notebook. Mr. Wormwood. Next we have Mrs. Wormwood, means parents of Matilda. This one. Then next character we have Matilda herself. Okay. Here it is. And the fourth character we have Mrs. Phelps. This is the fourth character. So these 4 characters you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Now come to the book part. First we will do with true false. Okay. So the first sentence is, Matilda was a noisy child. No, she was not a noisy child. She was a book lover and she used to sit in a cozy corner and she read all the children book. So it is false. Okay. Next one is, Matilda was a spoiled child. No, she was not a spoiled child. It is also false. Next, Matilda was polite. Yes, she was polite. This is true. Next, Matilda understood everything that she read. No, she didn't understand anything whatever she read, because there are some things, as we studied in the chapter, that some writers, they write some different words which every reader cannot understand. So this is false. Okay. So here it is, students. You can see true and false. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here it is, word wall. Be a book detective. What we have to do? Use the clues given below to complete the book words. Here are some clues and we have to fill the particular word to complete the sentence. Also complete the word. So, a piece of furniture with shelves to hold books. So, it is called book shelf. Okay. Second one is a piece of thick paper that we put between the pages of a book to help us go to that page again. It is called bookmark. Right? We keep in between wherever we stop reading, and so that you can means we can clearly open, so easily we can open the same page when we keep a bookmark inside that book. Now come to the next page, everyone. Okay, this is your C sentence. A person who reads a lot is known as bookworm. Okay. Next one is, A book of blank pages in which we draw. It is called drawing book. Okay. Next, a book of lined pages in which we write. It is called writing book. Yes. Next, a book used for the study of a subject. Of a subject, it is known as textbook. Next, a book of recipes is called cookbook. Okay, it is cookbook. A book of blank pages for sticky cuttings, drawing or pictures in. So it is called scrapbook. Scrapbook. Okay. So here we have completed exercise. Next exercise. Now come to the next part. From the story, find words opposite in meaning to words given below. See, we are supposed to find out these opposite words from the story. Okay. So here it is. The first one is with faults. So the opposite word is perfect. Okay. Here it is written. Next one is cold and comfortable. It is called cozy. Cold and uncomfortable, sorry. So the opposite word is cozy, means comfortable. Next one is started. So the opposite is finished. Finished. Okay. Next one is dull. Opposite is interesting. Next one is disliked and the opposite is loved. Okay. So this you have to do in your fair notebook. This exercise you have to do in your fair notebook as your homework. Okay. As well as you have to fill in the book the way it is filled, and you have to do same in your notebook. Okay. Now come to grammar time. We are going to continue with the word going to plus action word. Okay. So let's see how we are going to make sentences with going to and action word, means verb. See the next page. Page number 47. Here is a, you can say a box and a kind of chart to make you understand how you are going to make the sentence. So the first one is, I'm just going to tell you one example. Here you can see, students, grandfather, grandmother, he, she. So here you have to match with the is MR and then going to and then a verb and then continuing with the predicate. Okay. So means the remaining part. Now come to the we can see here grandfather, suppose, or we can start with grandmother. So grandmother is, okay, is, then going to plant, here we can match, okay, a tree. Okay. So like that we have to combine the sentence. See the first picture. It is very easy. One girl is sitting and she's doing something, means homework. Okay. So she's saying like, I am going to do my homework. I am going to do my homework. So we have to add here going to plus verb, means action word, that is do. Okay. Next one is, we are going to water the plants. Going to water the plants. Okay. Next one is, father is going to sew a button. Sew a button. Okay. Next one is, he is going to write on the board. He is going to write on the board. Means the action which is going to happen. Okay. Next one is, Mahi is going to paint a picture. Okay. Next one is, we are going to play hopscotch. Okay. Hopscotch. This is the name of the play. Okay. Now, I hope you all have understood this. and this you have to do in your book. Now come to the next page, everyone. Like to plus action word. The way we have done going to, same way we have to do here like to. Okay, and the exercise is basically you have to fill the remaining part of the sentence by your own. So here it is the exercise. You can see, complete the following sentences using your own ideas. Okay, so the first one is I like to. Here you can write. See students, you can write anything else also if you have any other idea in your mind. So what I have written for you, this also you can write. Okay, so I like to, first one is draw and color. Okay, I like to draw and color. Full stop. Next, I don't like to watch TV. Third one is, see, my friends like to play football. Okay. Next, my friends don't like to fight with each other. This is the fourth one, fight with each other. Next one is, my teacher likes to talk about good manners. Talk about good manners. I hope it is visible to everyone. F1 is, my teacher doesn't like to scold us. Okay, this is the sixth one. Next, my grandmother likes to tell me stories. Okay, tell me stories. Next one is, my mother doesn't like to eat junk food. This is your last one. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now everyone come to the next part. Page, this is your last page basically, but before that, my dear students, on page number, I'm telling you one thing, on page number 49, on page number 49, there is a exercise, write well, and here you have to write book report. Book report means any book, whatever you have read, okay, any story book, you have to write about that, and there are certain columns in which you have to write the name of the book, then the name of the author. Suppose if you have studied about the Jungle Book, okay, so the very famous character Mowgli, so like that any book if you have read about, you can write on that. Okay, it is your homework. So on page number 49, you have to fill that page, that is your homework. Now come to page number 50, that is there on the screen right now. Okay, here are some rules, safety rules. You can see here, Matilda went to the library every day. Okay, while going anywhere, we must obey safety rules. Exactly. So here are some safety rules, students. You can see there are 4 columns and we have to put tick or wrong, wherever it is needed. So means the things we should do, we will put right, and the things we should not do, so against those we have to put wrong. Now the first one is walking to the bus stop and waiting for the bus. What should we do when we are walking to the bus stop and waiting for the bus? So we should walk on the pavement. We should walk on the pavement. It is correct. Then run and play around? No, we should not run and play around. And wait in a safe place? Yes, we should wait in a safe place. Next one is getting onto the bus. When you are getting onto the bus, so get on the bus only after it stops. Exactly, this is correct. Then after it stops, rush and push others? No. Then follow the queue? Yes, we have to follow the queue. Next one is riding the bus. When we are, when bus is going on, so don't get up. Yes, it is correct. We should not get up. Okay, next one is face forward. Yes, we should face forward. Next, shout and make loud noises. No. Next one is getting off the bus. Stand 10 steps away from the bus after getting off. Exactly. Don't stand near the bus. Okay, this is correct. Next one is do not stand close. Do not stand close to the wheel of the bus after you get off. Yes, we should stand exactly 10 steps away. Next one is tell the driver if you drop something near the bus before picking it up. Yes, if you dropped something, suppose, so if you want to pick up, you have to tell the driver. That is correct. So my dear students, till here we have completed the chapter fully. Okay, and whatever homework is given to you, I hope you will complete that one. Okay, and word meanings and question answers you all have completed, I suppose. So in the next video we will be continuing with the next chapter. Actually, that is not the chapter, poem of this chapter. So till then, take care, complete your work, study well.